Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. So let's start the tutorial. And what I did here is I have printed some coffin shapes, and what I'm doing here is on a acrylic sheet I have placed the paper underneath, and on a straight surface I am making a mold. And what I'm doing here is with the glue gun I have made the mold, and this is for the small coasters, and I'm making a tray as well. So I have made a first one. Actually, I am using the acrylic sheet. I have used this acrylic sheet in a previous video on my channel here. So I didn't want to throw it away until another use. So that's the reason you can see it. I have made this one is the tray one. I have made the mold, and now I am making the second coaster. Just try to recycle and use the stuff as much as I can before throwing it away. So these are acrylic sheets and they are very nice for making molds, the DIY ones. I had been actually looking for the coffin shape molds, but I was unable to find them. So I thought, why not try myself and make something unique? And it's totally a DIY. In this way, you can make so many shapes, whatever you like. And I will be keep on repeating the lines. And there is another tip here is that you can make the molds as deep as you like or as thin as you like. So it's really up to you. So it's the second day now and I have made my mold. The glue gun is already dried here and these are the sheets. And I have my 2 cups here. These are the two mica pigments I will be using. One is black pigment and the other one is by Pearlex. So again, the glitters are, this is the holographic glitter, and there is a brown blackish stone of glitter, another one I'm using here. Again, the colors are really up to you. I was going with a bit of a Halloween theme, so I have taken these two pearl mica pigments, and I am mixing these two pigments in a container. I have mixed some holographic glitter into the mica, black mica, and I will be adding the resin in the containers. I have taken a low viscosity resin here. And now I am doing the same with the red, but this red is only the pearl pigment inside. There is no glitter here. So now I am pinching a bit aside of the container and I will be pouring on into the mold, and there is no resin in my mold at this moment. I am only pouring the black pigment. And now I will be doing the same with the red mica pigment resin. And when I'm done with both of my pigments, I will be adding the clear resin into the center. And now I'm using my leftover resin, the colors that have been left over, and I am pouring them again on the outer corners. And now for the center glitter, I am mixing some glitter into the resin and I will be pouring it into the center. So something happened here. I don't know what happened and I didn't got the web effect here. So I was thinking for what to do with these coasters instead of throwing them away. So I came up with an idea, and what I'm doing here is I am using this gilding glue and I'm making a spider web instead of using any tattoos or any other sticker or anything. I thought why not DIY this also? So I will be making this a full DIY resin coaster. And here what I'm doing here is with the gilding glue I am drawing the spider web here. You can see already in the bigger tray that I have drawn it like that. So I will be doing on all of these coasters like this. So you can make any shape you like. You can add of course stickers, you can add tattoo as well. This is something just a bit different. And I actually enjoyed drawing the webs. So now my gilding glue has already been dried up. It's been around 24 hours. It's totally clear. And I will be using this mirror gold foil onto these webs. And this is really satisfying when this gold gets transferred onto the gilding glue. And just enjoy the process. So after doing the webs, what I'm doing here is I have used these bats, and what I did here is I just put a dollop of glue and I put that bats onto the coaster. These bats are actually from a Halloween decoration and it's a wall decor, and I saw them hanging on the wall and I thought why not use them in the coaster, and I'm so happy they have turned amazing. So you can also see that there has been some spills that you can see. I haven't talked about it, but you can see it do happens, but it's not an issue. They are already dried, and when I will be removing the mold, they will be coming off easily. So now I will be removing these from the sheets, and you can see how easily they have been removed. So slowly I am removing the hot glue because it has been dried for many days and it has been attached very firmly to the resin, but don't worry, it will come off. Just needs a bit of patience here. So after removing all the hot glue gun, I am using this file. It's a block of file, and I'm just doing rubbing the edges to make them smooth. So I will be doing this to all the coasters and all the sides. And after doing the filing and smoothing, I am using this golden liquid gold onto the edges of my coasters and tray. And after doing some coasters, I got some spots of this golden paint onto my coasters. So I need to file it down and I need to do the top coat anyways. Because of this filing, I got a lot of scratches on the coasters. So that's why I need to top coat it. So I'm roughing up the surface of the tray and the coasters for doing the final layer. They do look like very simple coasters, but you can see the amount of work goes into creating them. So these coasters did took me some days to make, and I was really finally happy when I got it all sorted out, and I'm doing the final layer now. So in the final coat, I did add some crushed pirate onto the corners of these coasters. So let's see the final look. So this is how they turned out, and I really love that they are totally DIY coasters and a bit of oddities. A bit of a statement if you ask me. So please do let me know in comments what are your thoughts about these coasters, and any suggestions are always welcome. And I really hope you enjoy the process, and like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.